Full Image, your official glitter plug. Ow. Hello and welcome to our channel. I'm Dawn, the queen behind the bling, the genius behind the blingage. So if you're new to our channel, I'd like to welcome you to the Top Coat crew because you are shining. You top coat, okay? So please subscribe and click that like button too. And if you've already been subscribed, rocking and rolling with us, lots and lots of love to you. Now before we get up into this video, do us a huge favor and punch that notification bell, boo, so you don't miss out on giveaways, nail and makeup hacks, hauls, shout outs, and more. You'll get first dibs on it all. So with all of that being said, let's glow, let's go, and get into this video. What's up to my Top Coat crew? We are going to review Makartt's Pink Cotton Candy collection. We have our top and base, yellow, purple, green, orange, blue, and instructions. This is their, I think it's their quick gel where you don't need a brush or anything. You just like squeeze it on. These are the instructions, which I followed most definitely. I've already put the base coat on and I am going to put her under the lamp for the 60 seconds that they recommend. If you saw the pause, you're gonna understand what I'm gonna say next. I've never worked with a poly gel that came out like running, watery, or like liquid with it. That was a little strange for me, but I still tried. I made an attempt, but this video is gonna show everybody that if you can't get it right the first time, don't give up, don't quit, just keep going, all right? And to be honest, I wasn't even gonna upload this video, but I said, you know what? I'm going to upload it because I'm gonna do this again and it's gonna come out the way that we want it to come out. Yeah. So this will be marble. She requested marble. And that's all I'm doing. I'm just mixing the pink and the green shade together. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it under the lamp. 60 seconds. This is also, I believe, a marble or an ombre. And the pink isn't as pigmented as it looks on the website. I'm not sure why, but we just decided to do ombre on her nails. And we also chose to add some cotton candy, you know, little glitters and accessories because this is my baby girl and these are her favorite colors. It matches her cell phone case and she tends to get what she wants. So that's what we're doing. Now, as you see, as I'm moving in with the brush, because it doesn't come with the slip solution, it came with like the dual forms. It didn't come with like the poppets because it's the quick gel. Every time I use the brush, it just like made a gap. It's super runny. Makartt products, I love them. I absolutely love their products. They are amazing. We have a code with them, and if you're interested in trying this particular kit, you can do so by clicking the link in the description box below. It will take you directly to the product, and if you shop our link, you will receive an extra discount on top of the discount that you see on the screen right there. So right now I'm just, you know, putting on the gel and I'm trying to get it to mold right. It just wouldn't work. I don't know if I did something wrong, but I've never had it running before. I did keep it in a cool place because I like my poly gels a little, you know, sturdy, more, you know, solid, because I find them easier to use, you know, in my opinion. But yeah, so set it 60 seconds as recommended, and now I am doing her thumbnail. which I thought was pretty kind of cool. I decided to do the pink and then the green. That beep is annoying, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna put some butterflies in the middle and add some green glitters. Any of the items that you see listed shown in this video, everything will be listed in the description box below. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get this as smooth and opaque as possible, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now, this is where my problem came in. It was like trying to fit a foot in a bologna sandwich. The file wouldn't let me get in here. So I ended up using my e-file because it was just funny watching me trying to fit that big. And then the file is super, super cute. Like the hand file, I love it. It's beautiful. I'm actually glad it didn't work because I didn't want to mess it up. But I did prefer the e-file better. And then it's so easy to file and, get the bulk of the product down because it's so soft. Polygel is so easy to work with. I do use a lot of acrylic, but when I do polygel, it's just so satisfying. Just seeing, the powder. I'm weird. I'm sorry. I believe in unicorns. So here I'm applying the butterflies, just the dark pink ones, and then I'm going to add a little bit of green, like iridescent glitter in there, just to make sure that it goes in between the polygel. You'll see me push the glitter in there just to make sure that it stays. But I did put down the clear polygel first, just to make sure it did what I wanted to do. Here you see me applying some more base coat just to add the accessories to her nails. And then I'm going to throw that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm not showing you the lamp, every time I do it. We know how this works, okay? Let's just be real. So I'm just like base coating and then accessories. Base coat, accessory. So that's all you see me doing. I wanted to do the little butterfly thing where like a zigzag and then like a bunch of them. And I think I just kind of sort of gave up because of how the polygel was just not trying to work with me. So you'll just see like clumps of butterflies, but I promise you guys, you're gonna see me come back and do the same look. I'm gonna do it because I know that Makartt has great products. There's no issues. I'm not sure what happened. I'm actually gonna do the green one next, maybe, but we'll just have to wait and see. I definitely recommend you guys getting this, and they have a big sale on right now, along with the promotional code and the link in our description. So, get the kit, try it out. Let me know what you thought about it. Give me your opinions. I'm going to try it again, but I want to know your opinion. So definitely check Makartt out. They are a great brand. I would stick with them 100%, okay? So just enjoy the rest of the video. I may pop back in, but other than that, that's all I got for you. So also, I know that there's a rule where you don't add your polygel or anything over top of your diamonds, or your crystals, or your Swarovski crystals. That is not true. Maybe it's the crystals that I have, but I put it over my crystals and they still blinged. That is so annoying. Oh my God. it didn't dull the shine at all as you see me adding them on here. I apologize ahead of time because it is a school day and right now we're in school, so you're gonna hear a little bit of noise. I'm sorry. But yeah, it didn't dull the shine of, or the brilliance of the crystals at all. I have rhinestones. I have the Swarovski. Am I saying that right? They're crystals as well in here, and it didn't dull the brilliance at all. Here you see me just feathering on the green glitter, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pop it back in the lamp for 60 seconds, and that pretty much is just all I do. Once I do this part, I'm going to lock it in with the clear polygel, because again, this is my first time using Makartt's polygel, so I wasn't sure if it would stay on or anything. But once I do that, I then add the top coat, and that's pretty much it. Of course, make sure you follow the instructions. They do advise you to do your base coat between each layer, but I just felt more comfortable just, just drying it and then going forward. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I really tried. I really struggled, but I did my best, and I will come back with more. I did try to do the filing and shaping. I didn't pretty much agree with it, so I did use my e-file throughout the video. But again, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We appreciate your views, you watching the video, subscribing. Thank you to all of our new subscribers. To the old ones, thank you for rocking with us. You guys are the real top coats. We love you. We enjoy your company. And thank you for stopping by. And without further ado, enjoy the rest of the video. And we will see you in the next one. Until then, bye.
Can tell me anything. It be the one. accustomed to. It be the ones you look up to. It be the ones. Don't get caught up,